Sleep is so important. So, and it's something that I've been trying to improve in my life, trying to get 8 hours of sleep. I measure everything now um, because I'm trying to improve my health. So I measure how much I sleep, how much I eat, how much I run. Everything needs to be measured when you want to like make a change in your life. So, one of the things that I wanted to do is improve my sleep cycles and how long I sleep. And for that purpose, I've been experimenting with pillows, specifically memory foam pillows. This mountain of stuff here is a mountain of different pillows. I bought so many different pillows to test which ones are the ones that I want to finally use. And for the last month, I've tested the Innite on pillows, and I think that I'm keeping them. Um, if they weren't comfortable, I wouldn't have used them for more than than several days because it's the sort of thing that you need to have in order to feel well the rest of the day. So I want to show you different uh, pillows that I bought. I bought this Tempur-Pedic. Uh, it's really nice. It's nice to feel, but it was too soft for me, so this didn't work. Uh, it has that like shape for the neck, right? Um, but I really couldn't do it. Um, and then I also bought this one, which is similar to the Innight. That's why I bought it because it's very similar. And I bought this in IKEA, and it's too hard. So, but I mean, it's nice, but it's maybe a little too hard for me. So I bought this one, and these Innights, they come in packs of two. It's perfect. So I bought two of these, right? And let me show you. Uh, and they're the perfect kind of soft. But the other thing that I like about this is how they keep like nice and cool. Like right now, it feels cool to the touch. Um, I don't know how they do it, but it just feels nice. And this is how it looks. You see, it has this pattern. This you remove. I'll remove it now so you see how it works, right? Um, and it's very, very soft. It's like medium firm. Uh, I'm gonna take off this cover so you see how it is inside. And what's the perfect thing about this cover is that you can take it off, and once a month, so it's up. You put this into the wash and make it real nice and clean. So you see, this is how it looks inside. It's blue. I think this it's a different kind of memory foam because it keeps really nice and cool, and I really like it. It's a the kind of firm that I like. Um and so I'm a sideways sleeper, and I put this sideways, and it contorted to uh uh my way of sleeping. So I've been using it for a month now, and I've decided that yeah, this is the pillow that I'm gonna use for now. You know how it is. Pillows, it's recommended, right, that pillows be replaced every year. So I'm gonna be using these for a while, and then uh decide if I want to keep ordering these after the year has gone by. Uh, so good night. Good night. Super recommended.